Hello everyone, I have a big idea. I want to build a car. Yes, a whole car, from bits and pieces, all by myself. It sounds crazy, I know. But I love a good challenge. Why build a car? I could just go and buy one. But where is the fun in that? I love making things, taking a pile of metal, and turning it into something amazing. This is episode 1, the very start of our journey. You will see everything, I promise. The good bits, the successes, the tricky bits, the head scratching. Let's get started on this madness. What car will I build? That is the million-dollar question. It is a bit of a secret. Well, not a massive secret. I can give you some clues. It will not be a normal, boring car. No sensible family saloons here. This car will be truly special. It will be completely unique, I hope. I absolutely love old cars, especially classic sports cars. You know the ones, small and light, cars from the glorious 1960s. They had so much style, they had real character, didn't they? My car will take inspiration from that, but it will have some modern ideas too. A sort of best of both worlds machine. Something that shouts, "Look at me!" Building a car from scratch needs tools. Lots and lots of different tools. Luckily, I have quite a few. Spanners of all sizes and screwdrivers. Welders for joining metal, and grinders too. My garage is going to be my workshop. It will probably be very noisy in there, and I expect it will get incredibly messy. Oil, grease, and bits of metal everywhere. We also need a mountain of parts. So many different components. An engine is quite important, I think. And wheels, obviously, to roll on. Seats, so we are comfortable. A steering wheel to point it the right way. Where will I get all these bits? That is all part of the grand adventure. Sourcing parts can be a real treasure hunt. It is like a giant, oily metal puzzle. Section 4. The master plan, step by step. Ish. So what is the grand master plan? Every big, ambitious project needs a plan. First things first, the chassis. That is the car's fundamental skeleton. It absolutely must be very strong, and it must be perfectly straight and true. This is a really important job. No wobbly, unsafe cars allowed here, thank you. Safety first, then speed, then style. Next up will be the bodywork. This is effectively the car's skin, making it actually look like a car, shaping all the metal panels carefully. This part will take a very long time, and it will require lots of hard work. I'm going to need a lot of patience. Very much patience indeed. Section 5. Your turn, and what's next? This amazing project is for you too. I really want all of you to be involved. Yes, you watching this right now. I genuinely need your brilliant ideas. Your suggestions are always welcome. What do you all think about it so far? Please tell me in the comments below. I promise I will read them all. Your input could be really helpful. What color do you think the car should be? I honestly cannot make up my mind. Should it be a classic bright red, or perhaps a cool, sophisticated blue? Maybe even a traditional racing green? And what about the wheels for it? Should I go for shiny chrome wheels? Or maybe some sporty black alloy ones? Help me choose, I need your opinions. This is just the very beginning, remember. Episode 1 of many exciting episodes. There's a very long road ahead of us. There's an awful lot of work to do. There will be regular updates, of course. You will get to see all the progress, and most likely some of the problems too. That is all part of the grand adventure. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.